Jobber is built around automated scheduling and customer communication, while FieldPulse is built around flexible job tracking and customization for field teams. By the end, you'll know which one actually fits a landscaping business depending on whether you care more about automation or control over your workflows. Jobber shows its strength in day-to-day operations that repeat constantly in landscaping. Quotes, scheduling, and customer follow-ups are all designed to run with minimal manual input. That matters because landscaping businesses usually deal with recurring clients, seasonal maintenance, and fast-moving job schedules where missed follow-ups turn into lost revenue. FieldPulse takes a different approach. It gives you more control over how jobs are structured and how teams interact with tasks in the field. That means it can feel more flexible if your business doesn't follow a predictable weekly schedule, or if every job is highly different from the last. Now, let's break down where the real differences show up. First is scheduling and dispatching. Jobber organizes jobs around a clean calendar system where you can assign teams and automatically notify customers. It's built to reduce manual coordination. FieldPulse also handles scheduling, but it leans more into customization, letting you structure jobs in more detailed ways depending on how your team works. Second is customer communication. Jobber includes built-in client reminders and updates so customers get notified without you manually following up. That matters in landscaping because missed appointments or unclear timing often leads to disputes or lost trust. FieldPulse includes communication tools too, but they are more dependent on how you set up your workflow. Third is job tracking in the field. FieldPulse is often chosen by teams that want more control over job stages, notes, and task breakdowns while crews are on site. Jobber focuses more on keeping the entire process simple, so crews can move from job to job without extra steps. So the decision comes down to this. If your landscaping business runs on repeat maintenance routes, recurring clients, and you want more automation in scheduling and communication, Jobber is usually the simpler system to run day to day. If your work is more custom, with different job types, changing workflows, and you want more control over how each job is structured, FieldPulse fits better. Jobber simplifies operations. FieldPulse customizes them. If you're deciding between the two, pick one based on how predictable your jobs are, not just the feature list. Summary. Jobber focuses on automation, FieldPulse focuses on flexibility, and your workflow complexity determines the better choice. Next step. Write down how many of your weekly jobs are repeatable versus custom, then match that to the tool that fits your structure. Subscribe for more direct comparisons like this. No filler, just clear breakdowns.